Hey guys, Zach Calhoun here. Today we're going to talk through what is a Pro Tour on cloudpiano.com, and then what is a Pro Plus Tour, and what's the difference between a free, a Pro, and a Pro Plus Tour. And we're just going to run through today to make sure you have a full understanding via video. I'm just going to show you the difference between these two types of tours, so you understand kind of what you get and what you don't get, and why you should upgrade. Let's get started. So I basically have two accounts, and one of my accounts I have set to free, and the other account is set to Pro Plus. So I'll basically be comparing and contrasting these two accounts. I'm going to run through my free account first, which you're seeing here at app.cloudpiano.com, and then I'm going to run through my Pro Plus account next. Okay, shall we get started? All right, let's do it. So instead of uploading a bunch of new photos and kind of going through that process, I'm just going to click our sample tour right here because that's my fastest way to get us demo up and running. Okay, cool. So here's my demo. Because I'm a free user, I had a couple more helpful tips along the way. I'm going to exit out of that modal. But here we are. I'm in my demo and I already have some hotspots in place. And that's an important note that hotspots are included for your free tours. Really, most of our features are included. So the advanced ones that really take your business to the next level, those are the ones that are Pro Plus. But as you log in and you upload your 360 photos, whether it's a Ricoh Theta or it's a Insta360 photos, or you have DSLR and you stitch those photos together, if they're 360, 2-to-1 ratio, rectangular photos, they will work just fine on cloudpiano.com. So we take those photos, we centralize the viewer. You can set your initial views. You can change the name of every single room if you'd like. You can drag and drop, right? Just like you always would whenever you make a tour. Real self-explanatory stuff. Your tour properties are right here. You put your name, phone number, and email. My email is zach@cloudpiano.com. Email me anytime. You can sort your images and add as many images as you would like. There is no limit on cloudpiano.com. Once you kind of do those things, you're going to want to add up. You're going to want to link a few rooms. So you click hotspot, click which room you want to link it to. You can even change your hotspot style. You can rotate your hotspot over if you like. Right now I have white selected, so I'm going to select that. Click bedroom in this case. And now I have this hotspot added, right? I can go to it right here. I can edit it. I can delete it. All right here on your tour editor. What else is here too? So I can also add info spots, right? So you've probably seen this before. Some guys have info spots on their tour. You can select the icon you want it to show. You can put a short description, an extended description. You can even put an HTML pop-up, which is so cool if you want to add a YouTube video. Totally included in your in your default account for free or for the pro level type tours. If you want to put a picture, you can do that as well. You can all kinds of icons, but you would use the HTML pop-up to do that. And we have some additional helpful links to help you if you don't know how to do that, or to add any types of raw HTML into this little piece right here. We have a little bit of help to help you out, and I'm sure there's also some great stuff on the internet you can find. But overall, info spots are available. Add any information you want onto the tour. So I'm just going to put books, just for the sake of this demo. Okay, so we have hotspots that link to rooms. We have info spots that show information on the tour, so it says links. It says books. We also have free and available. You can upload a logo if you want to. You click upload, put your logo onto the tour, and it will appear on the top left of your screen. That is included in your free plan. Down here, you see something that says set up. So I'm sorry, I'll skip something here. Set default hotspot style. You can, if you want, have it be black first, so you don't have to change it every time. That's just a quick option for you. I wouldn't click that very much because it can change every hotspot on your whole entire tour. But if you see here, it says set up white label URL. Learn more. Well, this account's free, so you'll notice if I try to do this, it doesn't actually work. But basically it explains you can use your own domain name on CloudPiano. CloudPiano goes away, sits in the background, and you deliver tours with your own private labeled, or also called white labeled, domain. And basically it becomes a arm or the whole entire foundation of your business. You don't have to show off cloudpiano.com links anywhere. You can have it be yourawesomebusiness.com. And send that out and get paid, and no one ever knows how much you paid for hosting or what tools you're using, and they don't care. They just want to have a virtual tour ready so they can get more clients or market their property, etc. This tool is kind of cool though because it actually checks your white labeled URL for you. I kind of call it the white label URL checker. But anyways, that's only available for Pro Plus. That's why it has this little star right here. So it used to be available for Pro users or for Pro level tours. But now we've decided that Pro Plus are the guys who we want to deal with the most. So those are the ones who are going to get your white labeled URLs. Okay, so if you click on settings, you see some more information here. This is the privacy level of your tour. If you want it to be a private only tour, that's Pro Plus only right there. And it kind of has an explanation modal there as well too. You can click that as well. If you want to add your Google Analytics tags and track all the entry and exit and bounce rates and all the huge amounts of data that Google Analytics has available, you can actually add that into the header of your virtual tour and track everything people are doing. Who are they? Where are they from? How long are they staying there? Where are they coming from? That's a really cool feature. Only available though to our Pro Plus users. Also to Ambient Sounds, totally available for these 3 types of examples of background music wise. That's free for you and available for you at Pro and free levels. If you want to add some different sounds, that's a Pro Plus option. Okay, what else we got here? All right, so all of these are also available to you as well for free. You can enable thumbnail ribbon on tour viewer, which is the ribbon on the bottom of the tour. You can start with that minimize if you wish. You can play sounds when clicking on Hotspot, which is kind of a fun feature. I'm going to turn it on. And you can even turn your tour to a tiny planet if you'd like to. I'm going to turn it off for now. My favorite feature on Cloud Piano, well, there's a lot of really cool features, and it's a lot of fun. And you can do a lot of things with HTML info spots and all kinds of whatever you can think about. You can put a PayPal button on your tour if you want. But my favorite feature that is Pro Plus only is the lead generation feature. Okay, so we get this little pop-up that says, you must be Pro Plus in order to get this. But I'm going to show you what it is just so you know. This is what can kind of get you excited about your future. If you basically, all you have to do is type in the email you want your lead to be sent to and a message, and I can't turn it on now, but I'm going to go to my other account here in a second to show you, and you click save. So I can't do it yet, right? But this will send leads to my clients, to whatever email I put here. So I kind of ran through all the fun stuff. I'm going to click publish, let you look at what the output looks like. And this tour is locked because I have an account. This account is a free level account, right? So I have to unlock it after I get 3 free tours on my account. So let's say you're a brand new user, you're trying to figure out, well, how many tours do I get? What's going on here? Well, you get 3 tours for free, and after that, you'll start to see messaging like, hey, this tour is locked. Unlock, please make a payment below. And if you share your tour link with someone, they'll get a screen that says, this tour is locked, bro. So after 3, you just got to upgrade to Pro, right? It's only $10 right now. Could be less, could be more in the future. We're not sure. And you just do it right here in this modal. If you want to unlock Pro Plus, just click on the monthly option and you get unlimited Pro Tours for life. Okay, let's check this out. So I showed you 3 or 4 rooms earlier, right? And when you click down here on the ribbon, that I chose to have be turned on. That's how you can navigate through a tour. Or I can click on hotspots and navigate through a tour, right? And I'm pressing the buttons and making small cool noises. You saw the contact info that's right here as well. Also, too, over here to the right, we can share, we can go full screen, we can even do virtual reality mode with a pro level tour and a free tour, which is really cool. And it's interesting like on the desktop, but on your phone it looks really cool. When you put into a VR headset, you basically have an entire VR experience. This is how you sell somebody. If you can get a VR headset on somebody's face, I guess, or over their eyes, and then have them navigate through a tour, and as they move around them, the tour motion moves like they're in the room. You hook them, bro. You got them sold, and people freak out about that. It's a lot of fun. So all those features are available to you at your free levels and pro level. So really, it's just kind of limits you to, you have to pay each time to unlock a tour, which is $10 at this point to upgrade to Pro. So if you do like 30 tours, it'd be, obviously 30 times 10. So what people like mostly do is they upgrade their accounts to Pro Plus. There's 2 buttons here. Edit tour takes me back to my tour, and dashboard goes to my dashboard. So I'm going to go to my dashboard also, which is right here, just top left button. And I can manage tours from this location as well. If I wanted to go into a tour and unlock it, I would click one of these buttons right here. So see how it's right here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you click right here on my screen anyways, that's how you unlock your tour for $10 a piece. So you can unlock or upgrade your tours with that button if you are at the free level and you're trying to unlock a certain amount of tours from your dashboard. So I mentioned earlier I have 2 accounts. So let's log out of this account and let's log back into my Pro Plus account. And let's go to my dashboard and let's edit a tour. Let's add this one right here. I cloned a tour earlier. I'm just going to edit this one for fun. I want to show you some of the cool Pro Plus features featured on cloudpiano.com. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you lead generation. So in my Pro Plus account, when I click on, when I turn lead capture on, and I pick the email I want to send it to. So if I want to send my leads to my client, I would say client at their email.com. In this case, I'm going to say zach@cloudpiano.com. You can email me anytime. What message should we display to the viewers? In this case, I'm going to have it say, to receive information about this property, enter your email below. And click save. So what happens when I turn that sucker on? I'm going to click publish and I'm going to show you. If you look over here to the left, now you have a small icon that kind of brings some interest. Request information. I'm like, well, if I'm a viewer, so let's say my client is trying to sell this house. He's a real estate agent, or it's a developer, or it's a builder, or fill in the blank Airbnb, and they want to fill up this location or this apartment complex that wants to market their properties. And I'm a viewer. I'm looking through. I'm like, hey, this bedroom's pretty cool. Maybe I like this better. Maybe I don't. Oh, this is a pretty neat view out here. Okay, I like this. It's my viewer voice. So they're looking through, and also they see these different icons. Okay, that's interesting. And they click over here at request information, and it says to receive information about this property, enter your email below. Well, I'm like, well, I'll put my name. Yeah, I'm interested. So I'll put Zach. Send me something at cloudpiano or what's that? myemail.com kind of thing. And I'll click submit. Okay. What happens? Well, they get a short email that has their name and contact information, and now, as a client, they'll pop up on their email. Hey, this person Zach is interested in my property. Well, let's shoot him an email. Or let's shoot him a call. So it's a really cool way, a passive way for you to what we call lead capture, to send leads to your clients. And all you have to do is go into your tour editor on that specific tour, go down below your settings and click lead gen and turn it on and put some information right there. And right below this, we see some captured leads. So I have proof that I have captured leads onto this tour. Pretty cool, right? This type of advanced usage of virtual tours is speaking to, or I would say, working to the advantage of directly why your clients and why your customers actually use VR tours anyways. They want to market their property. They want to get more leads. They want to achieve success in a transaction. Well, they can do that by getting more folks into their world, right? And if you can help them do that, then that's more value, right? So when you create more value, you can charge more. A lot of our users turn on lead gen and they charge their clients monthly. Say, hey, if you want an advanced tour, it's only $50 a month, $100 a month, something like that. People are like, yeah, sure. I mean, it makes sense if I get a couple leads, it pays for itself. So like all of a sudden, you just created this monthly cash flow machine with just clicking on one button. Pretty neat, right? So that's what a lot of our guys use. A lot of our guys use that for. And of course, I mentioned you can add analytics here. You can add some extra cool sounds, and then you can white label your virtual tour to your brand and your company's name, which is really important as well too, as a Pro Plus member. So basically, this is the ultimate tool, cloudpiano, to make sure you have for sure success with your VR or virtual tour business or whatever digital media company you are currently pursuing. And the very best way to get this started immediately is to go to cloudpiano.com, go Pro Plus, and start playing around with all these fun features, making tours, and send them over to clients, man. Let's get started. Click Get Started if you want to save some extra dollars. Opt in for the annual plan right now while it's still at the low price. Click Get Started, log in, add your information right here that you need to as a user for Pro Plus, and click pay, and your account will automatically be upgraded. Okay, I'll see you on the inside. I'm excited to be a partner with you in Cloud Piano. As we always say, keep hustling, keep working hard, and keep making some really cool virtual tours. I'll see you guys on the